Okay, and this Dodge Charger, we did the Rogue camera, real nice. You don't see no wires except the exception of here, but you're definitely not going to see it on the side. And then we come all the way around the back. That's the back camera back there. No wires are showing. Everything is hardwired to the ignition switch, to the ignition wire of the vehicle. That way, when you start the car, it turns on automatically, and you don't have to occupy any cigarette lighter thing that comes with the kit. We do supply the hardwired kit for those who order these cameras and forget to get the hardwired kit. We do supply the hardwired kits, and then when you turn off the car, the camera automatically shut off. So in essence, you don't have to do anything but drive. Okay, you don't have to worry about hitting any buttons here or nothing. This particular camera comes with the app on the phone. All right, and this is the Rogue R2 4K dual. Anybody in Miami, Homestead, Fort Lauderdale, we do come out. You don't have to bring the car anywhere, and we can do the installation at your office or your job or your home. Makes it very convenient. Roughly looking about a 45-minute, an hour installation. And we thank you for watching this video.